Kia ora koutou, my name's Sarah Hynds, one of the directors at the Education Group. Really excited to have the opportunity to showcase our Science of Learning workshop that we are running across the motu. Why is that really important? Because our new curriculum, our new knowledge-rich curriculum is informed by the science of learning. It is the pedagogy and the practice that we need to understand in order to deliver the curriculum with impact. This workshop will help you to understand the importance of managing our learners' cognitive load. It will also help you understand the differences between biologically primary and biologically secondary knowledge and the implications for that as we teach and we learn. We'll also explore explicit teaching strategies so that our teachers are well equipped to ensure that our students are getting the very best teaching and learning within our classrooms. In my opinion, this is an absolutely essential must-do workshop for all teachers, whether you're experienced or new to the profession. Please join us for this absolutely essential workshop, Science of Learning. Register online at the Education Group. Look forward to seeing you then.